everyone. Today is such an exciting video. I am thrilled to be doing this. I have a very special treat. I'm so not funny. Anyway, I have a very special video today. I'm so excited for this. Milo and I have a very special video for you guys. Milo's blocking it. I don't know if you guys have heard of TokyoTreat, but it is a Japanese candy snack box subscription that you can get. And they give you a new box every month of Japanese treats. I've actually had this before. My brother-in-law ordered a box for us to try at Christmas time when I went up to visit my sister. We had so much fun just tasting all these different kinds of candies and chips and stuff. Even my 6-year-old niece was trying things and giving an opinion on it. So when TokyoTreat reached out to me to do a review for them, I was blown away and so excited. So I'm ready to get to it, try some yummy snacks. I'm saying they're yummy because I already know that I'm going to enjoy more than likely all of them. Definitely ready for a trip down memory lane. I hope to find something that I might recognize from when I visited Japan. I do want to mention that if you guys want to try out this subscription, I'll put a link below so that you guys can click on it and join the subscription if you're interested. Let's get to it. I'm so ready for this. I'll hold it so it's facing the camera as I open it so you guys can get the first look. Here we go. Milo's walking over. He was building suspense. Here we go. Woo! Treat yourself, spread the love, post and tag, hashtag TokyoTreat. How cute. Oh my gosh, there's so much in here. This is crazy. This is a little pamphlet that comes with it. I think it just helps guide you through the snacks that come in the box. There are the snacks. It identifies and describes. Happy 6th birthday to TokyoTreat. How cute. Happy 6th birthday. Oh my gosh, the first thing I see, I am definitely going for avocado cream cheese tortilla chips. That sounds absolutely delicious. On first glance, there's not a lot that I recognize specifically, but if I do recognize something, I will let you know. All right, Milo, you wanna smell? Smells good. That does smell good. All right, here we go. Avocado, cream cheese, tortilla chips. They're even in a cute little avocado shape. Oh my God, that is so good. Oh no. I'm gonna have to bag this up so I can snack on this later. Oh my God, that is so delicious. I need these in bulk. Okay, thanks. So we had something salty, so let's get into something sweet. This looks super cute right here. These look super sweet, super yummy. I'm thinking it's gonna be like that mochi kind of texture. Oh, cool, they're individually packaged. Looks like it's a little chocolate candy. I'm not really sure what flavor to expect, but it looks like it will have like a little filling on the inside. I don't know what flavor that is on the inside. It kind of reminds me of like honey or maybe like a tea flavor or something, but it has that gel-like inner filling. I don't know, but it's very yummy. Let's see, what are we gonna try next? This looks fun. It looks like cheesy poofs. Milo, you wanna try? You wanna smell again? Yummy? Let's see. So it's like a puffy little chip right there. Interesting texture. It's not very flaky or poofy like I thought it was going to be. It's not overly flavorful either, so I could see this being like a quick snack, and it has a cute little cow on the front. All right, on to the next. Here we go. This looks like another cheesy little snack. Most of you may know I am from Wisconsin, so I like my cheese dolciano. Okay, let's go for it. Oh my gosh. They come in a little Funyun shape. It's like Cheeto Puffs in a circular ring, and it's so good. Milo, these are a hit. I kind of want something sweet after all that, so we're gonna look for, I don't know what this is. Okay, so this is the packaging. I have no idea what to expect. There's a mad scientist that has a glass vial and a crazy looking character coming out of that vial. Is this gonna be salty? Is this gonna be sweet? Maybe spicy? Here's the first look. Oh my gosh, what is this? I'm kind of scared. It's in a cylindrical shape and there's a hole that goes all the way through. I don't know if you can see that. I have a feeling this is going to be spicy. Oh my God. I can honestly say I have no idea what this is, but that was really good. It's not spicy at all, but it is really yummy. Okay, I'm gonna get the pamphlet and we're gonna try to figure this guy out. I am quite perplexed. Okay, it is umaibo. I'm probably butchering the pronunciation. I'm so sorry. Super savory, delicious mentai pollock flavor. I'm assuming like the fish pollock. This is so good though. I can kind of get a seafood vibe off this. It's kind of like a puffy fish stick chip, I guess. Maybe that's what they were going for. If I were at a store, I probably wouldn't trust it enough to pick it off the shelf and say, oh, I'm gonna try this snack right here. I'm really glad that this was included in the box because it's not something I would go out of my way to try. That would have been out of my comfort zone, and this is a very tasty treat. Okay, on to the next. I was going for something sweet. That last one, I didn't really get that right, but we have, it kind of looks like, you know those soda bottle, soda pop gummies? It looks kind of like it might be something like that. It is a sugar-coated gummy, so very fun and cute. It already smells super good. Very fruity, very sweet, and it has a nice little gradient color. I might be dangerous with this one, you guys. I might finish this one. This is so yummy. Oh my gosh. It tastes like grape soda. I'm usually not a fan of sugar-coated candies, but that was so good. I kind of wish there was another one in here, but that's okay. Okay, diving in again. I don't know what this is, but it looks fun. Hard candy, hard snack pellet. I'm assuming it's going to be sweet, but I have been wrong before. We're just gonna go for it, see what they taste like. That's what it looks like. There's no way this is sweet. It kind of smells similar to the fish stick snack. Try saying that 5 times fast. Fish stick snack. There's something on the inside. A peanut. Oh, let me see if I can bite in half and show you the inside. Okay, part of the peanut fell out, but that is the inside. I'm gonna look this one up because I have to know what that coating is. That's gonna drive me insane. Sparrow egg crackers. It says, ready for a surprise. I absolutely was surprised, so accurate. Inside the crunchy, sweet, and spicy soy sauce coated cracker is a peanut. How yummy. So usually when I think of a peanut inside something, I'm gonna automatically think of peanut M&Ms, you know, something chocolate coated. I definitely smell the soy sauce. Very unexpected, but I love that. So this is right on top. We're gonna go for it. Corn pottage. Yep, that. I'm assuming it's gonna be like a corn, maybe potato flavor. So I'm expecting something else puffy. We shall see. We got puffs. We do in fact have puffy treats. I dropped one. Ah! Oh, instantly smell corn. It kind of smells like the cereal Kix. Okay. Not the flavor I was expecting. Not bad either. Different. Definitely corn with a hint of something else that I can't quite identify. I don't even know. It tastes like Kix, but with a hint of something else. Is it chive or am I like crazy? It says Texas corn potato snack. That doesn't really answer my question as far as what that flavor is. I feel like this would be really good in a soup to like replace crackers or something. I think it would absorb the soup really well. On to the next thing. This is really bright and fun looking, so we're gonna try this. Very happy, exciting looking packaging. Here we go. Smells good. Looks like a cookie. Oh, I love cookies. So this is what it looks like. Looks like a little shortbread cookie. They're filling. Now it looks like chocolate filling. Okay, Milo, but it tastes like melon. I know that sounds a little silly. However, there's a lot of melon flavored snacks over in Japan. So I'm not surprised by this at all. It's a very strong flavor. This is very cute. I like the cookie with the filling on the inside. Very fun. Oh no. Oh, there's a froggy looking character on the front of this package, and that kind of makes me nervous. I'm not going to overthink it. I'm just, oh no, I don't know if I can do that. It tastes pickly. I want to know what this says. The TokyoTreat team always fights over cabbage taro. I wonder what that fight is, whether or not to put it in the box. Crunchy with a savory sauce flavor makes them super popular. We had to share them with you for our birthday. It smells good. It's just a very strong flavor. I think this is like, you either love it or you don't. I feel like I should have another. Okay, yeah, not for me. Like I said, I think it's just because the flavor is so strong. I love this. This box is so cool. Things like this just make the world a little smaller and make it more accessible. Appreciate other countries' culture. We're gonna go for a cookie next. This looks like a very flaky, thin cookie that probably would be really good dipping into something, maybe tea. This looks so cool. I don't know what it smells like, but okay, also not sweet. I'm not doing too well guessing which one's going to be sweet and savory. This crunchy cracker has a delicious, salty, sweet soy sauce flavor. You won't be able to forget it anytime soon. I would not put a soy flavored snack into my tea for the record, so I don't recommend that. Definitely soy sauce. It's like a cracker. It tastes really good, actually. I feel like that would be good in soup as well, honestly. I do like that. Even though it tricked me into thinking it was gonna be a cookie, it's actually more like a cracker. All right, we got something that I kind of recognize. In Japan, they have a lot of these fish-shaped cookies or pastries. They're really popular. So my bet is either it's going to be melon or green tea flavored snack. I really hope it's green tea flavored. That's probably one of the things I miss most about snacks in Japan. Everything green tea flavored. You could get green tea flavored cafe beverage or the green tea flavored ice cream. I had too much. That matcha flavor is so yummy. I'm getting jealous of my past self just because she has access to those things and I don't. Anyway, dive right in with the little fish cookie. Oh, that's melon. 110% a melon smell. Oh, it's so cute. It's cream on this side, green on the other side. It's kind of wafery, it's very flaky. So we're gonna go for it. Oh, that's so good. Strong flavor again. There's a lot of filling. This is so cute, very good. I know I keep saying that and using the same adjectives over and over again. I need to break out the thesaurus. The last time I had a box like this, I believe we also got one of these, but I don't think it was the same flavor. So that would be really cool if they switch it up every month in the subscription and give you a different flavor. So yummy. Okay, I've been eyeballing these. There is a red and a pink. I'm gonna go with a red. I'm sure they're all the same flavor. Lots of strawberries on the packaging. This is what it looks like. I'm excited to see what this is, this little candy. Oh, it's like a strawberry flavored malt ball. Oh, that's good. I'm gonna try pink one just to see if it's different, even though it's not going to be, but it's really good, so it's an excuse to have another. Hi Milo. Definitely the same flavor, just as good. I love this. I'm sad for future Elaina because one day these are gonna run out and she's gonna be so sad in her waking life because she won't have any more of these. All right, guys, we have some Pringles. Not gonna lie, I'm surprised to have Pringles that say London on there with a London skyline in the background. It would have been cooler if it had the Tokyo Tower on here. Looking at this, it looks like it's gonna be fish and chips kind of a flavor. Definitely smells fishy. Oh, wow. That tastes like fish sticks. Here it says, Pringles Japan are exploring the world. That's so cool. With their fish and chips flavor, they balance tartar sauce, okay, yeah, with the classic salty flavor in these awesome Japan exclusive chips. That's so neat. I love this so much. The tartar sauce makes so much sense. I can really get that from this. Probably gonna save these so that Audrey can give them a try, see if she likes them. Audrey, if you're watching this, I'm gonna save you at least a few of these for you to give a whirl. Okay guys, so we are dwindling down, making our merry way along. These I recognize. Hot cakes. So in Japan, they had a lot of pastries that were very popular. I remember seeing French toast on dessert menus at so many restaurants, pancakes, thick waffles. I think that's a lot of French influence that gives them their love for sweets. Oh my gosh, that smells like childhood breakfast when my mom would make pancakes. This is what it looks like, very pancake-like. Oh, that's so good, that's not fair. This is divine, absolutely heavenly. I have to have a small little bite, don't judge me. Side note, honestly, I've been having such a craving for waffles. This is kind of curbing that craving. My mouth is kind of getting a little dry from all these snacks, so I think we're gonna break out the little soda that comes with it. There's only one thing left in the box, so we'll go ahead and break out the Kit Kats. This will be the last thing that I try. Oh, and it's perfect because it says have a good day. What a great way to end it off. Okay, so this looks like it's supposed to be chocolate mint soda. Oh, that smells good. It's very pretty. I like the color of the soda, that like mint green. How fun. Oh, that's so fizzy. It's so weird. I can't say I would go out of my way to get a soda that flavor, but this is really good. They nailed it. Finish off with the Kit Kats. And of course, yes, I have another story for you guys about my snacking in Japan experiences. Long story short, they had Kit Kats everywhere. I'm trying to figure out what flavor this is. I don't know if that's supposed to be like a graham cracker or like a legit cracker or a cookie or cookie cracker. I don't know. We're just gonna go for it. Break me off a piece of that. Okay. So good. This says a whole grain biscuit. So maybe it's attempt at having a little bit more fiber in your candy diet. Can't believe it's over with. And we got a lot of snacks in. So overall, I honestly can say I give this box a 10 out of 10. Even with like some of the snacks that were a little bit more challenging to my palate, this is an incredible experience. It's so worth it, especially if you have a lot of interest in travel and if that's being held off because of COVID. This is an excellent way to bring the world into your home, at least this specific country of Japan. It's a mixture of nostalgia for me as well as a little adventure. It's so incredible that we have access to things like this. I am so honored, blessed, and grateful that TokyoTreat reached out to me. They just wanted to know if I'd be interested in doing this, and I was flabbergasted. I said absolutely yes. So much fun. I hope you guys made it to the end of the video because I am going to give this a 5-star rating, 10 out of 10. Like I said, I'll have the affiliate link below. I'm very, very happy and honored to have been considered to do this video. What a fun collaboration. Another video that I get to have a lot of fun with. What a blessing. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts below. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. We're almost to 100,000 subscribers. That's insane. So grateful, so blessed, so happy. And I hope all of you guys are staying happy, staying healthy, and staying bright. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Say bye, everyone. Bye from Milo. Mwah. That is a wrap. Say bye.